Hi there and welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Raluca. It's been a long day for me. I've been to work since now and I decided to do a video removing my makeup and doing my nighttime skincare routine. I've had this makeup on for about 10 hours, so it's time to remove it. You might have seen in my previous skincare videos, if you've watched any of those, that I use coconut oil to remove my makeup. Before any of you say that it's comedogenic, I just use it to remove my makeup and then cleanse it right after. I don't use it to hydrate my skin or anything. And by the way, most of cleansing balms are pore clogging. Whether you use like the cleansing balm from Wishful or Clinique has some, or the Inkey list, they're all comedogenic. So at least coconut oil is a little bit cheaper than that. I'm just going to take a little bit of this on my fingers, something like that. I like using coconut oil because it really dissolves my makeup. Even if I'm wearing a very heavy waterproof makeup, it removes it without any issue. I just rub it in between my fingers and then just massage my face with it. And it dissolves the mascara and everything. For me, it's a lot more convenient than wiping my face with 10 cotton pads to be able to dissolve all the makeup that I'm wearing, even though today my makeup is a little bit lighter. I could just use micellar water, but I'm used to this technique. And to take off this excess makeup from my face, I'm going to use my makeup eraser cloth. It's wet, and you can remove your makeup with it. I could have used just my makeup eraser without the coconut oil because it does a great job at removing the makeup, but you gotta rub pretty hard to remove mascara and stuff, and I want to be as gentle as I can with my face. You can always use cotton pads if you don't have a makeup eraser. And now my face is completely makeup free. Even if I was wearing very heavy makeup, it would be just as easy as this. That's why I really love this technique. After this step, I immediately cleanse my face. I don't want the oil sitting on my face for too long. This is kind of awkward. I keep running back and forth to my bathroom, so I just got my face damp. And this is the cleanser that I'm using at the moment. It's the Origins Checks and Balances Frothy Face Wash. I mean, it's not anything special. You gotta be really careful to not get it in your eyes. It really burns the eye area. If I was wearing very heavy makeup, I usually cleanse 2 times just to make sure that everything comes off. And now I will run back to my bathroom to cleanse this. Okay, cleanser is off, and I'll just pat and dry my face. Now let's start with the hydration part. I have this Sephora facial roller kit that I want to use today. I never used it. I think I will use it with the moisturizer. First things first, I will apply my serum. I'm going to use the Inkey niacinamide serum. I just recently started using this. Just applying a little bit of this. And I will massage it in. Niacinamide is an ingredient that I never used before this serum. And like, everyone is talking about it and I want to know what's the hype, so I started using that. Next comes my eye cream, and at the moment I'm using this eye cream from Alverde. It's from the market. It's their brand, and I think it's made from natural ingredients. It's also vegan, so I don't know, it's quite nice. It is also very affordable. I'm using a little bit of this and massaging this in my eye area and also on my eyelids. I honestly have no idea what's the deal with these face rollers. Like, it has 2 interchangeable heads. Should I care if I use rose quartz or amethyst? Like, I have no idea. I don't know if it's some magical stuff involved, but I'm just going to use the standard one, which is the rose quartz. It's like, I have clients in the store asking me for a jade stone, and I'm like, we have this face roller. I don't know if it's made from jade or anything else. But I don't know, why should I care? Like, do you guys know what's the deal with this stones. It's just because they're pretty, like they have different colors. I really like this, it's really pretty. Oh, you can remove the head like this by twisting it off. The texture feels the same for both of these heads. I'm going to use this Revox this collagen amino acids plus hyaluronic acid. This is a moisturizer. It's pretty lightweight, but I don't know, this time of the year it's enough for me. Whew. Even though I have dry combination skin, I should have mentioned this from the beginning. Because it has hyaluronic acid, I'm just going to spray my face with some thermal water, using a little bit of that. And I'm going to apply it on my neck as well. Okay, first I think I'm going to use my hands, and then I'm going to use the roller to massage my face. So, it says forehead. Massage from the center of the forehead towards the ear. So, like this. This feels nice. Then from the center of the face towards the ear. So here. Oh yeah, getting that natural contour. Eyes. Gently massage the eye contour and eyelids. Like this. Oh, this is relaxing. I don't know if it does anything besides the relaxation part. I should maybe incorporate this into my routine. I hope I'll have the patience to do this every night. And the neck. Massage the whole neck from bottom to top. Like this. I think I love the forehead part the most. So I'm just going to do a little bit more of that. For my lips, I recently started using Vaseline. And it's absolutely amazing. This really hydrates. I feel like this is the best lip balm that I've tried. It's also really, really affordable. And I have this whole jar here. So soothing. And for most nights, this is everything I do. Some days I exfoliate. I either use my Wishful Glow Enzyme Scrub or my The Ordinary glycolic acid toner. Depends on my mood actually. This is the routine that I do the most often, and yeah, it's pretty simple. If you enjoyed watching today's video, don't forget to leave a thumbs up down below and subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed already. Most of my channel is actually about makeup, but I guess I'm doing skincare as well. And don't forget to comment below your requests if you want to see a video about a certain subject or a certain tutorial or anything. I would love to fulfill your wishes. Yeah, that is it for me today. I want to thank you so much for watching today's video, and I hope I'll see you in my next one. Don't forget that I upload videos every Monday and Friday at 8 p.m. I don't know what's my time zone. Romanian time zone. I think it's Eastern European summertime or something. I got it right. It's Eastern European summertime. Whatever, who cares? I don't know. You probably don't. So, okay, that's it. Bye!